Hey guys, so I am testing these period underwear out again. I am actually heading to the grocery store. I put on these underwear around 12 something, like 12:30 or so, 1 o'clock. And so I am going grocery shopping and I'm gonna wear these all day to test it out. So I'll tell you how it goes. Okay guys, so today is my heaviest day of my period. It is my second day. And on my second day, I usually wear 2 sets of pads, you know, for the front and the back. Like I do one in the morning, one towards lunch, and then I do one towards the end of the night when I'm about to go to sleep. So that's like 3 sets of pads. These underwear said they can hold 2 pads worth. So let's see. It's like 8:20 right now, and I put this period underwear on at 1 p.m. It's been about 7-ish hours and your girl has to change. Like I have to take these off and put on like underwear because I think because I'm wearing black pants and they have a drop crotch, so I can't see anything coming out. And I don't think anything would come out on the back end, but right at the crotch area, if I was wearing jeans, I think I had little splotches on them. I don't think I would bleed all the way through the other side, but I definitely think that I would have a spot. Because I've been feeling a little wet and I wasn't sure because last time I wore them I kind of felt wet. I think I was just in my head, but I've been poking and I think it's time to change. So I think that answers my question. I think I can go up to 7 hours with these underwear on my heaviest day, but after that I will need some backup. So it actually did pretty good if I'm being honest with you, so that's actually really good. Okay guys, I am back again, out of breath, just came out the stairs. You would think I'd be somewhat in shape because I do the treadmill almost every day. So I just rinsed out the underwear and I'm happy I did it today. I think my flow is a lot less when I'm sleeping, so maybe that's why I had a really good time the first time, because this time around it's still great. I would definitely recommend it and I would buy more. So as I told you guys, I was like, oh, I think it might be getting wet, you know, it's probably time, it's hit the max. But also I rinsed it out just now, and you know, the first time I said there like wasn't anything, it was just like a dye from the underwear. This time, if you're squeamish or whatever, I say skip past this. But it was like a bloodbath. Like honestly, it was like a bloodbath. I was like, wow, when is this ending? So yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot, which was to be expected. That's what I expected the first time, but I thought since nothing happened the first time that I wouldn't see anything the second time, but that's not true. Snoop Doggy Dogg is back, and I realized that I did not end this video. If you guys would like to see more videos, please give this video a thumbs up, you know, like, subscribe, share, and tell me what else you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.